In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get admission into Columbia College, a process that can seem daunting but is entirely manageable with the right steps. Whether you're fresh out of high school, looking to finish your degree in the evenings after work, or considering a graduate program online, understanding the admissions process is crucial. First, you'll want to navigate to the Columbia College admissions website at columbiasc.edu admissions. Here you'll find options tailored to different types of applicants. Undergraduate admissions for those fresh out of high school or transferring colleges, online and evening undergraduate admissions for students who might need more flexibility due to work or other commitments, and online graduate admissions for those pursuing advanced degrees. Once you're on the website, determine which category fits your needs. Doing so will guide you to the specific instructions you need to follow. For example, if you're an undergraduate applicant, you'll be directed to pages that outline the steps unique to your situation, from application forms to required documentation like transcripts and test scores. It's essential to read these guides carefully and pay attention to deadlines to ensure your application is submitted on time. After you familiarize yourself with the application type that suits you, it's time to start gathering your documents. This generally includes your academic records, such as high school or previous college transcripts, and scores from standardized tests like the SAT or ACT for undergraduate admissions. For graduate programs, you might need GRE or GMAT scores, along with any specific prerequisites outlined by the program. It's a good idea to reach out to your school's guidance counselor or the college admissions office if you need clarification on anything or require help arranging your documents. They can be incredibly helpful in making sure your application is complete and competitive. Once your application is ready, it's time to submit it. Make sure you double check that all sections are filled out correctly and all necessary documents are uploaded or sent to the respective departments. After submission, be prepared for a waiting period as your application is reviewed. During this time, it's important to keep an eye on your email for any communications from the admissions office. They may require additional information or an interview, so responding promptly is crucial. Following the application, you should start preparing for the next steps in case of acceptance, such as housing applications if you'll need accommodation, financial aid forms if applicable, and other pre-arrival documents. By thoroughly understanding and strategizing your approach based on the specific requirements of your desired program, you'll be well on your way to joining the Columbia College community.